Assalamu alaikum students, this is Hadika Batul and today we are going to discuss about scientific notation. So let's start our video. What is scientific notation? Scientific notation is a way of expressing numbers that are too big or too small to be conveniently written in decimal form. For example, 3.4 cross 10 to the power 4 is the number in scientific notation. It is written as the product of two numbers, that is n is equal to m cross 10 to the power n, where 10 to the power n is the exponent and m is the mantissa, that is the number greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. Now, how to write numbers in scientific notation? To write a number in scientific notation, follow these steps. For example, we have a large number, that is 45,000. Remember that if there is no decimal point in the number, then the decimal point must be at the end of the number. Now, how to write the number 45,000 in scientific notation? Step number 1. Move the decimal point to the left of the first non-zero digit. For example, decimal point at the end of the number. So, move this towards the left of the first non-zero digit. Step number 2. Count the places moved. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. So here decimal point moved 4 places towards left. Step number 3. Write in scientific notation and we get the number 4 cross 10 to the power 4, where this first non-zero digit is the mantissa, while these moved places will make the power of 10. Now, how to write small numbers in scientific notation? For example, we have a small number, that is 0.003. Now, how to write this number in scientific notation? Step number 1 is move the decimal point to the right of the first non-zero digit. For example, we have a number is 0.0003. Move this decimal point towards the right of the first non-zero digit. Step number 2. Count the places moved. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So, decimal point moved 4 places towards right. Step number 3. Write in scientific notation. We get the number 3 cross 10 to the power minus 4, where this first non-zero digit is the mantissa, while these moved places will make the power of 10. Remember that if the original number is greater than 10, then the power of 10 is positive. For example, we have a number 45,000 is greater than 10. So, its power is 10 to the power 4 is positive. While if the original number is less than 1, then the power of 10 is negative. For example, we have 0.003 number is less than 1. So, its power 10 to the power minus 4 is negative. Now, why we use scientific notation? What is the purpose to write the number in scientific notation? To write the number in scientific notation, that it makes it easier to perform arithmetic operations with very large or small numbers. The second purpose is writing numbers in scientific notation takes up less space. And third purpose is it minimizes the risk of errors when reading or writing numbers. So students, this is the introduction of scientific notation. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.